Hey guys, in this video we are going to be doing the unboxing and review of Punnkk P12 projector. I bought it on Amazon for about 18,000 rupees. I'll leave the link in the description to check it out. Now let's take a look at the box before unboxing it. They listed some of the applications of the projector on the left side of the box. The same information has been listed on the other side of the box. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. There is a white box on top of the sales package. Let's open the box and we'll see what's inside it. They provided some of the accessories inside the white box. They provided a remote for the projector. It seems pretty good in terms of quality. A quick user guide and an AV cable is provided with the box. Let's keep it aside. This is the power cord. Seems pretty good in terms of length. Let's see how it goes. They also provided a VGA cable. Not a lot of companies are providing VGA cable these days, so it's a good thing. Now let's keep this all aside and we'll take a look at the projector. The projector was securely packed inside the box with some foam paddings. Let's take the projector out of this. The projector was inside a plastic cover. Let's take it out of it. Here's the projector. Now let's take a closer look at it. On the front side we have the lens and some ventilation for the projector lamp. Moving on to the top, we have the horizontal and vertical lens adjustment. The lens adjustment controls are inside a steel housing and is very comfortable to use. The dial seems pretty good in terms of quality and looks durable. Let's see how it performs in the long run. They also provided the media control buttons on top of the projector. Let's take a closer look at it. They provided some buttons for power, menu, input source and some arrow keys for navigation. They also provided a power indicator LED with the panel. Now let's take a look at the side of the projector. We have ventilation grills and speakers on both sides of the projector, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the back panel of the projector. On the back panel we have a VGA port, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, an aux port, an AV port, an on-off switch and the power socket. That's all for the unboxing and first impressions. Now let's see how it performs. I am taking this video after using the projector for a few months. I placed the projector at the distance of 8 to 10 feet away from the wall. It gave me an 120-inch screen, which is quite big as you can see. Let me show you that in a closer look. You must have an idea of the screen size by now. You can easily guess the size of the screen by my shadow projector on the wall. The screen size is quite big as you see in the video. The picture quality is a bit undermined by the camera. The picture quality is a lot better off the camera. The colors are more vibrant and the projection is crisp and sharp. You can't judge the picture quality just by watching the video. If you ask me, I'd say the picture quality is a lot better than the one you see in the video. That's it guys. Now let's take a look at the interface of the projector. When we power up the projector, it boots up into the last known input source. We can change the input mode by using the button on the remote or by using the button on the projector. Now I am changing the source to USB. So here we are at the USB interface. Photos, music, movie, text, each of them are classified into separate folders. So if you want to look at a photo or listen to your music, you have to go through that particular folder. Now let's take a look at some other input sources. It has a VGA source and two HDMI source so that you can connect two HDMI devices at the same time. And it has an AV source to connect your set-top box. And it has two USB ports so that you can connect two USB devices at the same time. Now let's jump into the menu. The menu has separate tabs for picture, sound, time, options and channel. Now let's take a closer look at these tabs. The picture tab has options to change the picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio and noise reduction. Now let's move on to the next tab. On the sound tab, we have the option to change the sound mode. The treble and bass can be adjusted on the sound mode. I recommend you to keep both of them at 100 for best experience. Moreover, on the sound tab, we have a balance option which is used to balance the sound between the right and left speakers. If you increase it, the sound will be more on the right side. If you decrease it, the sound will be more on the left side. We also have a surround sound option here which is turned off by default. The sound quality was not so good when this option is turned off, but after turning the SRS Crew Surround XT, the sound quality was amazing. I'm really surprised by that. So I recommend you to do the same for best experience. Up next we have the time tab in which you can change the sleep timer or auto sleep. Next up we have the options tab in which we can change the OSD language. The projector has a wide range of language compatibility. It has about 20 different languages around the world. Moreover, on the options tab we have the restore factory default setting. We also have the flip option to rotate the screen if it's not projected correctly. And we also have a focus option in which you can adjust the focus of the projector. Finally, we have the channel tab. The channel tab has the software update feature. The software update has to be done via USB. We don't have any update software with us, so we'll just leave it there. Now, let's check the sound quality of the projector's inbuilt speakers. So, here we are. I'm playing an audio with the projector's inbuilt speakers, which is captured through my mic, so that you can get an idea of the sound quality. The volume is at 25%. The 25% is pretty much louder in my room. I don't want to disturb the neighbors, so I'm keeping it at 25%. Now let's play the track. That was really good, by the way. I didn't expect this sound from the inbuilt speakers. You might have noticed the sound from the air vent. That's because the mic is kept nearby. It won't be a problem for you. Most likely you won't be able to hear it at all. Finally, we are here at the end of the video. If you ask me to recommend a full-size home theater projector under 20,000, I'd recommend you to go for this one. They also have an Android variant of this projector which is 5,000 rupees costlier than this. I'll leave the link for both of them in the description. Do check it out. So that's all I have to say, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. You can also follow me on my social media channels for exclusive contents. Thanks for watching.